Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again. If you are new here, my name is Doji and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this magical pink Valentine's Day makeup. If you notice, I have a very glowy skin, but at the same time, I did not use a lot of product. This was so easy to make and this was so easy to achieve. If you guys are curious and you wanted to recreate this look, then just keep on watching because I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial and products. I'm going to show you as well what I use. So let's go ahead and start the video. Stay right there. So here you go guys. I started with a bare face so you can see all of the steps that I'm going to be doing for this makeup tutorial. So let's go ahead with the first product. Of course, my favorite primer from Bobbi Brown. Here it is. So I'm just gonna put a little more product than usual because I really want my skin to look like it's my skin and like smooth and flawless. So very important to prep your skin properly, including your skincare. After the primer, I'm gonna be using this product right here from Charlotte Tilbury. So this product is what gives me this like very natural glow under foundation, and just start to dab this just like this because I just really wanted to have this like very natural glow without doing so much. Next up is my foundation, and for the foundation I'm gonna be using it. This is one of my favorite foundation, especially if I'm going out and I want my face to look like perfect and like flawless. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. So I'm gonna be using 2 pumps of this. I already have it on my palm, so I'm just going to pick this up with a sponge and start applying it and focusing just onto the higher part of my face first. Then I'm gonna go use the back of my sponge that is clean without foundation and just try to blend this one properly to make sure it is natural, it's even, it's well blended, especially like around here where you can see it separates from your hairline to your forehead. That's the thing that you always want to pay attention. Next up, we are going to do the concealer because I'm going to set it with a powder right away. So for the concealer today, I will be using this Huda Beauty Faux Filter, and I'm just gonna leave that for at least 30 to like 90 seconds. Before I start with anything else, I wanted to prep my skin with a powder. Now for the powder, it's very important because you don't want to look like your skin is really matte because then it doesn't look as natural, and this is why this powder comes up. This one is from Carslan Cosmetics. So let me just blend the concealer. Just like that. Now let's move on to my eyes. I'm going to do my brow later, but I feel like eyes is something that you probably are curious what product I use and how did I do it. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. I feel like this is the color that, you know, I needed to achieve the look that I'm going for. So to start, I'm going to grab this like light pink color in here, as you see, the third one from the bottom, and just gonna use my NYX brush. This is number 16. If you've been here on my channel, you probably know, but if not, this is one of my favorite brush ever. So I'm just going to apply this. I also set my eyes already with MAC Soft Ochre, so just trying to build up this like light pink. And anyways, you see, I actually forgot to mention you. So I use this shade right here, like the bright pink, and a little bit of this one over here just to mix so that it doesn't look like too dark. And now I'm going in with my NYX again to just kind of blend and soften this out. And next up, I'm just gonna use this like dark shade here to darken up a little bit of this, the edge here. This is how the eyes is looking right now. I will be using this shimmer right here and mixing it with this slightly purple, using my finger to apply this one. And I'm just gonna apply it like this. So now I'm gonna go in with this purple and just try to put this on top. Just like that. Alright, next up, I'm going to add an eyeshadow on the bottom of my lashes here. And I also, if you notice, I did my brow off-cam really quick because I feel like brow is always a thing for me and it's just one product. If you guys wanted to see me doing my actual brow or like a tutorial, I can also do that. But for now, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow just over here. I wanted like a soft pink, and I'm using this one right here. So I wanted to elongate my eyes just like that. It's very, very simple. And you let me know what you want to see on my channel so that I have an idea, because if you don't tell me, like, I don't know, right? So yes, that is the eyeshadow so far, and I want to just bring it a little bit lower here. Next up, what I'm gonna do next is to apply a dark color like this one here, and I'm gonna spray it with a setting spray so that I can use it as an eyeliner. So I just grab setting spray. I'm gonna grab my slanted brush and start to apply this on my lash line. It's so easy. Perfect. Next up, I wanted to apply my lashes later so that we guys can see like the result of this makeup, but let's go ahead and apply a bronzer. For the bronzer, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury here. This is the, oh my goodness, I can't, the name is gone, but this one is like the sculpting bronzer or something. This is very soft on the skin, so that's why I'm just kind of using this one. It doesn't look as harsh as the other bronzers that I have. This is going to look very soft. I'm bringing the bronzer closer to my cheek, if you see right there. So I'm just gonna kind of doing this, and a little bit on my forehead. One more. A little bit on my nose. Just kind of really making sure that everything is soft. So after the bronzer, we're going to apply a blush, and for the blush, I'm going to be using this one right here. This is the DIOR Backstage in pink. Yes, this is the blush that I need. I want like a very natural look, so I'm gonna just dab it a little bit, like just to remove any excess, and start applying here. So on this Valentine's Day look, I really want it to look youthful. And also, if you notice my application, it's just going over closer to my eyes and my nose. I'm not like over here because we're trying to get like this very youthful look. If I try to put it here because of my face shape, it's going to look like very sharp. So I'm focusing mostly in front. Let me see where we at there. You notice that? It's already starting to look like more sweet, youthful. That's the goal, right? So there you go. Oh my god, I love that look. The blush is beautiful. So next up, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my lashes. Alright, lashes is done, as you can see. And before I forgot, let's move on first to the highlighter. And because our theme is pink for Valentine's, I'm gonna be using this one. Is from DIOR Backstage. This is the Glow Face Palette, and this pink right here, it is so beautiful. Let me give you a swatch quickly. Look at that. You see that very like soft pink, iridescent, not super chunky, and I love that. So I'm going to apply that on my cheek using this brush here. This is from Murphy, and just kind of like dust it like that. You see? Yeah, that's the secret, you guys, like why this one is so beautiful. I just use pretty much everything pink. And of course, I'm gonna be using this one as well onto the corner of my eyes. We are going to use a setting spray. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I actually noticed that on my favorite makeup, or yeah, last year I didn't include any setting spray, but this is definitely one of my favorites. So I'm just going to apply that here. Oh my goodness, this one just complete the look for sure. Look at that, it's so pretty. Alright, highlighter is done. Now it's time for the lip product, and this one is just so beautiful. This is one of my favorite formula from Makeup by Mario. This is in the shade Miss Mauve. I mean, this shade is so gorgeous. Let me show you guys. Let me apply this. So there you have it, the perfect lipstick for this look. So this is my perfect lip topper. This one is from NARS and this is called Sex Shuffle. This is a beautiful topper, you guys. If you are concerned that your lipstick is coming off because you're applying a gloss on top, this is a good idea to have. You can apply this on any color of lipstick that you have. Let me swatch you. So it just looks like that. So it looks like just like a shimmer, like a lipstick shimmer. Lips already have the magic, right? So you put it on already, you can see it looks really nice, it's perfect, it's beautiful, but I want extra magic. So I wanted to apply this on top of my like just around here on my blush. And this one, if you are not familiar, this is a limited edition from DIOR. This is the DIOR Forever Cushion Powder. This one has the shimmer that I wanted you guys to see, because why not? Okay, this is the magic that I'm loving, and I finally, like, good thing that I got this. So I'm gonna use the sponge, like here it is, and I'm just gonna apply it here because we want that glitter, baby. I am just in love, and I'm just gonna focus like here. Are you guys seeing that specks of like glitter like over here? And that's what you see on the camera and the picture. I mean, it doesn't really pick up in person. It's a lot more prettier. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. So there you go. That is the magic from the lip to this one, you guys. I'm very happy with how this makeup look, the result of this. And of course, I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back and show you guys the final result after I do my hair. Here's the look. Take a look at it. It is so stunning. It looks like a skin. You can still see the pinks and the monochromatic. The lashes is just like perfect. It's not super thick. And I am so in love with this look. So I hope you guys can learn something from this if you wanted to create this specific look. Of course, I'm going to include all the products that I use on this makeup as you see. Let me know if you have any more questions that I can answer if you feel like it wasn't clear for you. But overall, this is the kind of makeup that I will be wearing on Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!